So I haven't been to a hair salon in over 3 years, and that is not a decision that I just woke up one morning to take. It was just the path that my lifestyle led me. And if you are a busy professional woman, you know the struggles when you have children, you have to do work, you have a business, you have multiple things pulling you in different directions. And it was just imperative for me to do what worked for my lifestyle. Prior to having littles, I have 3 little children from 6 down to 1-year-old. I would go to the salon during the weekends or like once a month or twice a month. And right now, even that seems like a lot when I think of all the hours that I have to spend in a hair salon. And I absolutely love my hair salon. Once in a while, I would love to give myself a treat. So one of the reasons why I started this channel is because I do simple hairstyles every single week that works for my life. And as someone who founded a hair brand, part of my philosophy for my business was just giving simple solutions to professional women or to busy women. And I know that there's a whole lot of hair out there. There's a whole lot of styles out there, like frontal installs, that install and that install. Realistically, I can't spend up to 1-2 hours trying to perfect one install. So that is the whole premise of this channel, just bringing simple, beautiful hairstyles that work for life. So if you are somebody that is trying to find a hairstyle, trying to find a beauty routine, a hair routine that works for your lifestyle, I'm going to tell you some of the things that you should put into consideration when you're doing that. There are different things to know. If you're someone who loves to wear extensions, the best kinds of extensions for women who doesn't have a lot of time, one of them is clipping. Listen, clipping will save your life. Clipping is just one of my favorite hair extension, and the reason for that is because clipping is very easy to install. It takes you under 30 minutes. All you need is a clean head of hair. Go in, put your tracks in. You can carry it in a ponytail, you can let it flow down, whatever works for you. As someone that prioritizes my natural hair care, clippings work because I can wash my hair on the weekends. I can wash my hair weekly or bi-weekly, whatever worked for me that month. And part of taking care of your own natural hair is you really need to have a healthy regimen, a healthy hair routine. And sometimes, you know, having extensions sewed in or wearing extensions or braids for a very long period of time, you don't get to wash your hair as often. And that is one of the reasons why I love wearing clip-ins, because it gives me that flexibility to install in time and also to care for my natural hair in between clipping installs. Another hairstyle that I absolutely love as someone who doesn't have a lot of time to make my hair is I love wigs. Wigs. Tell me about wigs. Wigs are beautiful. You know, if you're someone that you don't wear wigs often and you're like playing around with it, if you should invest in a good wig, trust me, having a good wig is a great investment. So some concern people have with wearing wigs is that maybe the wig doesn't look natural, it doesn't blend into your hair properly, it looks really fake and wiggy at the top. Trust me, there are different kinds of wig you can get. There's the half wig that you can get that your hair blends beautifully in it. You can get wigs that match your own natural texture, your natural like color. You can get different kinds of wigs, the wigs that are HD lace fronts, which gives a more natural look in front. And the flexibility of wearing wigs is that you can literally just wake up and throw it on and you're good to go. But I do understand that now in the summer months, it may get very hot and wigs can get really hot and itchy especially if you don't have a good hair care regimen. And even if you do, it just becomes, you know, sometimes it can be a little discomforting to wear wigs all the time. But the reason why I love wigs is that you can use your wig for special occasions. So maybe you have a wedding to attend, you have a board meeting, a travel plan, or somewhere that you really have to look like, you know, like you're a babe. You have to step in and look really good. You can have 1 or 2 wigs for special moments. You can have wigs for those kinds of moments that you can really pull it out and have a different look. Or you want to experiment, you want to go for date nights and you want to look like a different girl that day. Wigs add that spice to your hair routine. Wigs are so important. I feel like Every woman should have different kind of wigs. You should have your classic wigs, your typical wigs that you will wear for a business meeting. You should have your vavoom wig, and that's a wig that you wear when you want to really dress it up, when you want to look like a stunner. And then you should have that wig that is like low maintenance wig, very easy to maintain, also very versatile. And that is it for wigs. And then another great hairstyle for people that don't have a lot of time are ponytails. Like, listen, I love ponytails. If you can tell, I have a ponytail on right now, and I love ponytails. Let me tell you why I love ponytails, right? Ponytails are very versatile. I love versatility and flexibility, if you haven't realized. So ponytails are very versatile in that you can have it in a bun. Like right now I have mine wrapped in a bun. You can have it straight, you can have different textures of it. You can wear it half up, half down. You can wear it like to the front, you can pull it all the way back. So you can do different things with your ponytails, and I absolutely love it. Another reason too is like hair care is important to me. So the ability to just grab my ponytail, pull it up, wash my hair real fast and easy. Ponytail really serves at that bridge when you want to get your hair done, but you don't want to have something that is really permanent where you have to go take it out, or you are like, oh, I just made my hair yesterday, I can't wash my hair. I just made my hair a few days ago, I can't wash my hair. With ponytails, right, you can, what I do, my own personal routine is I do my ponytails during the weekends or first thing Monday morning, depending on how crazy my weekend was. If my weekend was light, I didn't have to go out, I didn't have any like birthdays or events to attend, I would do my hair during the weekends. I would do my ponytails in the weekends. This past weekend, my weekend was so busy. It was the Salon, Baltimore, Maryland. I wanted to take my kids out, so went out Saturday, Sunday. The whole day we're out looking at all the ships, submarine ships, all the beautiful things happening. I couldn't do my hair, but I did my hair Monday morning. I did my hair first thing Monday morning, and it's crazy because but that's the thing about saving time and what works for your lifestyle. It took me less than 30 minutes to do it, and this is actually what I did. All I did was I just put my hair in a ponytail, put my hair in a bun, put some eco styling gel, and I use a hair bundle. So if you're looking for good quality hair bundles, my company actually stock really high quality hair bundles. So I just use the deep wave hair bundle and made a low wrap, and this is what I'm gonna rock for the rest of the week, guys. So it's all about finding what works for you, what works for your style, what works for your lifestyle. And I'm a big believer in not trying to force something that doesn't work, like because a hairstyle is trendy or everybody is carrying a certain hairstyle. If it doesn't work for my lifestyle, it doesn't work for my lifestyle. And that is part of the reason why I created this channel, is to give like busy moms and busy women like us permit, like we can still do our hair in a short time and look cute and look put together, and we may not have all day to do like self-care in a salon or whatever, but you can do your own self-care in different ways. Can I realistically have time to go sit in a salon? Yes, I can create time to go sit in a salon, but because of the different phases of my life, because I work Monday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday I have family days, me taking out a few hours for myself, I would rather not sit in the salon doing hair. I would rather have my feet up with a good book, with like a good snack, or watch a good movie, or spend a day with my girls, have a girl day, or just do something a lot more relaxing than going to sit in a salon doing hair. But when my time frees up in the future, of course, I would consider that. And then, because in Nigeria, where I'm from, they do a lot of home service, right? It's not so expensive to get home service. But here in America, home service will cost you an arm and a leg from all the pricing I've been, especially in the DMV area. So if I'm open to home service in the future, of course, I'm going to incorporate having home service. But I like to reserve those like salon moment installs for really special occasions. Maybe like a big event I'm going to attend, and I really want my hair to be like in tip-top shape. But as someone who works remotely, I work from home most days. All I do most times is from here up. Either I'm, you know, having client meetings or whatever it is I'm doing. I just need this part to be cute, right? And then I need like simple, beautiful solutions. So if you're looking for more styles, on this channel, I'm going to be sharing a lot of routines and tutorials and things that I do on a daily basis or a weekly basis. And I just feel like sharing that would really create a community around we women that really don't have time to do all the baby girl slay in our hair. But we also want to look cute. So if that's your vibe, definitely subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video.